Question 3. Determine the value of k to make the following a perfect square. So we have two here. Part A is x square minus 8x plus k, and part B is x square minus 6x plus k. Both are very similar. I'll do one of the questions and you try the next. We're just trying to understand how to make it a perfect square, because that knowledge helps us to do completing the squares, right? And understanding of completing the squares. So in this set of videos where we are trying to really do or find maximum or minimum value using completing the squares, first three questions are kind of preparation for you, right? Just to understand one basic concept, that what is a perfect square, right? Now let me remind you once again, when we say a perfect square, when we say like a minus b whole square is basically is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square, correct? Well, if we have a plus b whole square, in that case this sign is plus, right? That is the difference. Now I took a minus b since we have minus here, correct? So we need to find the value of k which will make this a perfect square. So what should be that value? We get that value from here itself. So a for us is 1, you see, 1x. 1x, let me say x for the time being. So a is x for us, so that is x squared. If you compare, a is x, right? Minus middle term, let me write as 2a and b. 2 is the number 2, a is x for us, x, and b we don't know, so we'll put so b is what we don't know, right? So let me write, instead of k first, b. Let me write this as b square rather. Okay. Now here in the center we know one thing, it is 6x. So the number left here is actually 3. Do you see that? So 2x and 3, 2ab. So if you compare, you know b is 3. Do you see that? So a is x for you here, and b is equals to 3. And what is k equals to? K is equals to 3 square, which is 9. Do you see that? So that is how actually we do this. That is how we do it. So k for us is 9. Now you can check your answer. X minus 3 whole square will give you x square minus 6x plus 9, right? So k should be 9, and that is how we get the value of k. I hope you understand. This is the logic which you need to apply here and find that value of k, correct? So you'll observe that it is half of this. Do you see that? K is half of this if coefficient is 1. Do you see that? Half of 6 is 3. So that is kind of concept which we will use in completing the squares method. I hope you understand and appreciate it. Thank you.